Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the extended seat adjustment lever for the Polaris Slingshot. Now I'm sure you've noticed that the factory seat adjustment lever on the Slingshot is a bit
on the tiny side.
This makes adjusting your seat on the fly a bit of a tedious process, especially if you're trying to adjust the seat while driving. But now we have a billet aluminum adjustment lever that replaces the factory handle to resolve this issue. The new replacement handle is a respectable 7 inches long and will work with either the driver or passenger side seat. Now you're able to install the new seat lever without removing the seat with the use of one of these shorty Phillips head screwdrivers. However, we were unable to get a good camera angle, so we've removed the seat to show you in detail how the installation process is done. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, take the aluminum arm and M5 bolt and insert that bolt through the side that has the recess for the bolt head. And screw on the finger pull to the M5 bolt. And tighten it down snug with a 4mm Allen. Now take the remaining 3 M4 bolts and tighten the stainless steel spline adapter onto the new arm. Next, you can take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the screw holding the stock lever in place. And slide on the new lever, making sure it's parallel with the seat mounting rail before tightening it back down with the original Phillips head screw.
Now if you're looking to extend your lever from 3 inches to 7, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab 1 or 2 for yourself. And don't forget to click that like and subscribe button below so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.